So for my chicken enchiladas, I use store-bought rotisserie chicken, which is what's right here. I just shred it up. It makes them so much faster and I don't lose a bit of flavor.
Any freshly cooked or leftover chopped or shredded chicken works fantastic for these tasty enchiladas. Begin by sauteing onions in olive oil. Once they're lightly browned, transfer them to a large bowl with the shredded chicken. Then add the canned corn, green chilies, fresh cilantro, garlic, and onion powder, shredded cheese, and enchilada sauce. Mix all of this deliciousness together really well. Now, I accidentally added a little more enchilada sauce than usual. We'll chalk it up to camera distractions, so my mixture is a bit redder and wetter than usual, but they still turned out great. Whew. Now pour some of the enchilada sauce into the baking dish and move it around so that it coats the bottom really well. Next, wrap a stack of corn tortillas in a damp paper towel and heat in the microwave for 30 to 60 seconds. This will allow the corn tortillas to bend without breaking as you fill them with the chicken mixture. Roll them up and lay them with the seam side down into the baking dish. Once the dish is full, drizzle with the remaining enchilada sauce and top with shredded cheese. Allow them to bake in the oven for about 30 minutes or until they're heated through and the cheese has melted beautifully. When they come out of the oven, you can top them with a little extra fresh cilantro, a side of sour cream, and a lime, and you're ready to dig in.
These chicken enchiladas could be a meal just by themselves, but you can also pair them with a salad or maybe a side of rice.
You can find this recipe for chicken enchiladas at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.